Hello everyone.
Hello.
We are coming to Chandranath Pahar. Faisal, my friend, he is my roommate, and we are the second year Wasimudin Muslim hostel. We are very hiking, exciting, and we are very hiking Chandranath Pahar, and we are very tired. This is a very high place, and we try to victory the Chandranath Pahar. And Faisal, what do you say about
Hi
Chandranath Pahar?
everyone. I hope all are fine. I'm so tired because this mountain so high and its hiking are so adventure. And after 2 hours, we are all of friends hiking in the mountain.
And we are said that every country people, please come here Bangladesh and say,
Look at that.
look at the beautiful sight.
Sightseeing are so
Very-
beautiful.
When we are coming monsoon days, so this place is very risky, and my naughty friend, he is saying my Bengali language and sexually type of language. He is very naughty and sexy. Okay, bye bye.